Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to fix your Instagram Notes pictures not showing. My Instagram account has a note pictures, but I will teach you some ways to enable these note pictures. The first method is to switch your account multiple times to the account that has Instagram note pictures. Go to your messages, click your name, then the account that you has will appear. Start and keep switching them until the picture will automatically enable to your account. The second method, if your account is in professional mode, you need to switch it back to personal account. Go to your profile, click your profile at the bottom right corner. Then, click the menu bar at the top right corner. Tap Settings. Select Account. Scroll down and click the Switch Account Type. Then select Switch to Personal Account. Tap Switch to Personal Account. Then, after doing that, close the Instagram app and refresh it. Open it, then the note features will be now enabled. The third method is to turn on activity status. Go to your profile, click the menu bar at the top right corner, tap Settings. Under Settings, select Privacy. Scroll down and find Activity Status. Make sure to enable it. After doing it, close the app and then reopen it. Then, your Instagram note features will be now enabled. Then, that's it. That's how you enable Instagram note features. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on my next tutorials.